So hey guys, what's up? How's it going? I hope you guys doing absolutely very well. So today we are gonna talk about our news, which is YouTuber Shane Dawson apologizing for all the racism that he put on the internet. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So YouTuber Shane Dawson is apologizing for all the racism they put on the internet. Me as a white person wearing a wig and playing a character and doing stereotypes and then saying the N word is something that I should have probably lost my career for at the time. YouTuber Shane Dawson apologized in a video Friday after facing criticism for his racist actions, including doing blackface and saying the N word. I am going to start with all the racism that I have put on the internet as an adult. He said, I made the decision to play stereotypes of black people or Asian people or Mexicans or pretty much every race. The 31-year-old who has 23 million subscribers on the platform said he did blackface a lot and often used the N-word, but added that he is not a hateful person, just someone who took jokes too far. Blackface was something that I did a lot on my channel. He said, I can't even imagine what it would be like to be black and see this white fucking guy do blackface, and the whole internet at that time being like lol, that's insane and I'm so sorry. Dawson had apologized in 2014 for doing blackface, saying everyone knows I'm not racist. In his video Friday, he said that he gave excuses for it at the time despite knowing it was wrong and didn't actually look into the history of it and why it was so wrong. I'm sorry, I added to the normalization of blackface or the normalization of saying the N-word, he said. Me as a white person wearing a wig and playing a character and doing stereotypes and then saying the N-word is something that I should have probably lost my career for at the time. He said he was inspired by a similar video from YouTuber Jana Marbles, who on Thursday apologized for the racist videos she had made and announced that she was quitting vlogging for the foreseeable future. Dawson has been making videos on YouTube for more than 10 years and is no stranger to public apologizes. He has had to apologize for his videos featuring characters built on racist stereotypes, as well as his past comments about mental health issues and pedophilia, which he addressed in his latest video. I swear on my life I am not somebody who would ever talk about a child that in any way was inappropriate. He said, that is disgusting, that is gross, it is not something I would ever do. It is something I did for shock value or because I thought it was funny. An old clip of him pretending to masturbate to a photo of Willow Smith, who was 11 years old at the time, resurfaced Saturday, prompting criticism from Smith's family. Shane Dawson, I am disgusted by you. You sexualizing an 11-year-old girl who happens to be my sister is the furthest thing from funny and not okay in the slightest bit. Her brother Jaden Smith said on Twitter. To Shane Dawson, I am done with the excuses. Jada Pinkett Smith, their mom, tweeted. Jaden also said the YouTuber was doing blackface on the regular. As you can see the tweet of Jaden Smith on your screens. Dawson did not address his behavior involving the photo of Smith in his apology Friday. In his video, he went on to address his friendships with people that have done some bad things on the internet. He is friends with Jeffree Star, a notorious YouTuber accused of racism and bullying and who Dawson partnered with for a video series and a makeup collaboration. I am aware that I hold my friends or people I care about to a lower standard than I hold other people. That's wrong and I am so sorry, he said in the video. Dawson's video was roundly criticized on the internet, both in the YouTube comment section and on Twitter. A tweet from Ashley, as you can see on your screens. She wrote, Shane Dawson posted that video putting himself into the victim seat. I noticed he kept mentioning how the whole thing made him feel. Honey, this is not about you. What's not clicking? No one cares that it makes you feel bad. that is not taking accountability. Don't get it twisted. A tweet from Will Scott, as you can see on your screens. He wrote, fuck Shane Dawson's apology. And Dawson did not say he would quit vlogging, but told his followers he is willing to lose everything for his actions. At this point, realizing how many people I've hurt or how many people I've inspired to say awful things or do anything awful to finally just own up to this and be accountable is worth losing everything to me, he said in the video. And also guys, if you want to see his full video, go and check out the description box. So that's it for today guys. If you like this video, then please hit the like button. And what's your opinion on the Shane Dawson apology? Write down in the comment section below, and subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon to all to get notified whenever I upload my videos. So I'll see you guys in the next one tomorrow.